Hey, all right, this is Marcus with Homestead Site Builder, and we're going to go ahead and dive into how to create your own website. Um, so, really, what I want to do is jump start into it, and this is absolutely perfect for those of you that really have ideas of the way that you personally want to build this. Well, you'll be able to use your creativity by starting basically with a blank sheet of paper and creating exactly what you want. Now, the first thing I'm going to have you do is, of course, when you log in to Site Builder, at the very top here, it says New Page. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead, select White Page, Start from Scratch, and then type in the page title here, and then go to Next. And then once you go inside there, be sure to hit Finished. And once you hit Finish, you'll have this white page. I don't need to do it because I've already established my position with this particular page. So you have a white page with a bunch of small boxes in there. So what we're going to do now is turn this into a website. So the first thing I want to show you is down here at the very left. Well, actually to the very right here, you should see something that says HQ or HD. If you click on that, the quality of your presentation will be a lot clearer. You can see things clearer, and then you can also make the box larger. That way you can see a full screening of what I'm doing. Now, if you follow me all the way to the left where it says Edit and Preview, if you click on the Preview button right now, you'll see we have a white piece of paper. So that's what it looks like. So what we're going to do now is puzzle this together. So what we're going to do now is go back from Preview to Edit. Now, what we're going to do now is really put the body of our website together. So where this little green rectangle box is, go ahead and click that, and you'll see a box that appears there. Now, by left clicking and dragging it, you can move it to anywhere you want. Now, what I normally do is I kind of put it here at the very top. I move my cursor over, click, and I just drag it open a little bit wider. You just have to keep clicking on it until you figure it out. And then you can grab the bottom of it and stretch it down. And so that's what my box looks like. And so this is going to be the back, not the background, but the actual body of my website. So if I go to preview again, you can see it right here. So let me give you an idea. By just simply clicking on the box to the very right over here where it says rectangle, you'll see where it says green in the color. If I click this little tab here, I now have the ability to change the color. So what I want to do is actually change it to gray. So there it goes. I'm at gray now. And here I'm going to do something cool. Is I'm going to click on my background here. So the white part, and where it says background right here, I'm going to go to black. So now I have a gray and black box. So there we go. So I'm going to go back to edit again, and I just went to preview, and that's how I keep going back. So now to actually type something here, where it says T, that's my little text box. So if I click on that, and I just drag this over here, I'm going to stretch a little bit bigger. I'm going to go inside there, and I'm going to type make money from home. And just like you would do a Word document, I have the ability to go over here to the right, click on the center. So I'm centering it up. I can highlight it. I can make it a little bit larger by going to my fonts down here. So I'm going to 48 font, as you can see there. So now if I go down to preview, again, now look what I've got going. So now let's say I want to grab myself a nice little picture. All I'll simply do is go to the box right here next to, in between the T and the green. I'll click on that little box there. I can grab some images from the library that they have, or I can go to my own computer right here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the box there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the image library. And remember, if you click on the other one, your computer, you can go into your actual photos and find anything you like, and you can upload it. Okay. So their library is a little slow. So let me just grab something that I've already downloaded. And I found these off of my own back office. So let me find one of myself. Marcus Desktop. That's a picture of me. Okay. That's me throwing up the peace sign. So what I've done now is I've centered that right there. And remember, I just went right here in between the T and the green box, clicked on that little box there. And if I would have gone to your computer, which I do now, so I click there, go to Marcus, which is my stuff, go into my pictures. I can basically go down, find the pictures that I want, click on them. It'll load right here, hit open, and then it'll appear just like you do a regular Word file. So let me get that out of there. So now to see what I'm working with, I'll just go back down to preview. See, there I am. So I'm piecing it together. And so now normally what I would do, let me scroll down right here a little bit further. If I want to add a little bit more, I just drag my little gray box down. I can go up higher, keep going down, make it long as I want. And so now I'm going to grab the little T box again, my text, just to give you an idea. And here, you can, I'm not going to type anything, but, so you can see I can type paragraphs and paragraphs and stuff. So now I've got my body here, all the, the information in my article, I can put it right there. And remember, you can add as many text boxes as you want. So if I go back and look at it, that's what it looks like. And then the last thing I normally do is just grab myself a little link. So the last thing you can do is go ahead and hit the text box here again, and I'm going to go ahead and type in a link that I have, and that's www.myworldplusfreedom.com. So that's a link that I have. So I got to highlight it at the very top here where it says link. If I click on that there, and right here where it says URL, click on that little button there. I can retype it in here, www.myworldplusfreedom.com. I'm not a fast typer. Hit OK. Now you should see where it's highlighted up, and I can make it a little bit bigger if I want. And again, all I did was just, when I clicked on the text box, I go up here, highlight what I want, and just tell the system what I want. If I want it to be a little fancy, if I wanted to make it a little bit bolder, I can click the bold button. And then again, if I go back down here to preview, then I can see what I've done. So as you see where it says, make money from home, my picture, then this would be my paragraph, and this would be my enter here, or come check out the fun, whatever, and you click here and watch this. Boom. Now it takes you into the other website that I've created. So, or this can take you into your MyWorld Plus website, so you can put your URL link right there. So this is just a basic tutorial on the ABCs of it, and you can be creative if you want. If you have a picture, like if I wanted to put a link to this picture or to something, all I have to do is click on the picture right there, and right here to the right, see it says link to. I can go ahead and do that there. So I can go www.myworldplusfreedom.com. There we go. So now that's a link. So just click out of it. So if I go back to preview, and now if you see, watch, my little cursor, it should turn to a hand. Boom, there it is. You click on the picture. Watch this. Oh, I did something wrong. My World Plus Freedom. Well, just know that that will work. I probably typed something in incorrectly. But yeah, that's how you type something into the picture there. Let me see what kind of time I'm working with here. I only have 10 minutes on this webcam here. Oh, good timing. So I better get off. I'm at 9 minutes, and actually don't have 10 seconds left. So that concludes this tutorial, and we'll move to the next Homestead tutorial. Thanks.